Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at the Technik Museum in Sinsheim, Germany, and this is a auto and plane museum. There's some pretty awesome cars here and some really cool planes as well. So come along and enjoy checking out some of these really cool things. How cool is this? It's assumed to be the first motorcycle ever made.
You will never guess where I am right now.
We're on a Concorde.
I
am in the front of Air France's Concorde, one of the last supersonic jets to fly across the world in supersonic speed with passengers. This is pretty cool, pretty exciting. I never thought I'd get to go on one of these things. What's really cool about the Concorde is that they only ever made 20 of them. And then I believe only 16 of them are ever used to fly commercial. But in 2000 there was a pretty bad accident. And because of that, they stopped flying them. Currently there's only 5 that are out in museums right now. This is the one that's in Germany. So these planes could get up to Mach 2.0. Alright, a couple interesting facts about the Concorde is a round trip in the 90s cost $8,000. And the flight went from JFK to Paris in 3.5 hours, so crazy fast. I don't know how fast planes do it now, but not that fast. Holy moly, at the time the tickets were 30 times the cost of any other tickets that were out there. Hey guys, so now we are on basically the Russians' version of the Concorde. It actually came out first. It's the Tu-144. It was the first and earliest supersonic commercial jet. It flew late 60s, early 70s. And I'm guessing they had similar issues like the Concorde. But yeah, the Concorde overcame them for a little bit. What's really cool about this plane is the front of the plane actually, the nose bends down. But this has been so cool. Again, can't believe I got to go look at these on the inside. I had no idea this was here in Germany. So if you ever make your way out here, definitely check it out. Alright, we're gonna go into the slide. It goes inside, 3 stories, metal. Looks like it's pretty fast. I will see you in the slide in 3 seconds. Alright, it was only seconds for you. We had to run downstairs to get these sacks. Here we go. That's fun.
If you like videos like this, please let me know. Like, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll get more cool videos like this out to you